Sweet Jamaica, man, I land that. Me no stop love it.
Welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacey. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate you one and all. God bless you. I thank you for your support. My new gardening family, welcome. And to my faithfulers, thank you all so much for your continued support. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. Alright, so today I am so elated. I am so happy. I am super happy. I'm here to deliver to you my newest production, my banana. So my banana tree has shoot. Yes, of course I'm going to take a close up and show you what is going on and talk about it a little. But I just have to tell you a little backstory about this banana tree in bucket. Now I've gotten a lot of backlash. I've gotten a lot of, you don't know what you're doing and that's not going to work out and you're so silly. Guys, I've gotten it all. I've gotten to a point where persons who recommended that I took it out of the 5-gallon bucket, I've gotten where they've unsubscribed. If they have not unsubscribed, they start commenting under my videos because I didn't take the advice. It's not that I didn't want to take the advice, no, but initially I stated that this is an experiment of mine and I really needed, to do it. Because if I had taken it out, I would have never known what would become of this. Alright, I would not be standing here this day to, present it to you. You get what I'm saying? So, it's just like life, Sometimes you lose people along the way because they're not seeing eye to eye with your dreams, with your goals, with your aspirations. I serve a big, great, wonderful God. I know what He can do. You understand? So in between of patience and having faith, I was there because I told myself and I said, God, you do so many things beyond our comprehension. So I'm like, I believe that it can happen. So I am sticking to it and I trust God for it. And I was like, when I started to see something, when I saw the small leaf, and I was like, God, look at you. Yeah, I was like that. I was like, see, our God will do the impossible, right? And He says to us that we ought to trust in Him with all our heart and lean not to our own understanding. So man, if the man said that too, then what me if do? Him say, if we lead that to our own understanding, and that's exactly what I did. I said, let me try it because if you know, I am coming from a very tiny space, alright? And so I wanted to test this, especially for persons who are actually living in tiny spaces that wants to grow things like these. Even though my bucket is burst out, it shows that it can be done. You understand? So you just have to have a little faith and a little patience, and that's all it takes. If I had done 5 of these 1 year and 2 to 3 months ago, then I would have 5 bananas shooting me right now. Yeah, shooting me down. And plus, I would have suckers. You right? So I'm going to take out this one. I'm actually going to put it in grow. Alright, so yeah. So yeah, if you have a little bucket, if you have a 5-gallon bucket, then definitely go for it. If it's a little bigger, then kudos to you. That's much better. Right? But what I noticed with banana, it just needs its sunlight and it needs water, right? And of course food. If you're going to try this out, if you have a tiny space, this is a dwarf banana tree, alright? So I would recommend that you plant in stages or succession. So if you know that you want 5 bananas, like you want them 3 months apart, then cut along that line. Like you plant them 3 months apart. And if you want the 6, 7, 10, you do all of that and just know that they're going to produce 3 months apart as you plant them. And that's a consistent sustainability. You get what I'm saying? So yeah. I'm just simply saying if I did it, you can do it too. Now I know a lot of people are going to say, the banana not even come out yet. Well, if I had faith thus far and come this far, then why should I doubt that the little banana is going to pop out? It doesn't matter the size for me. It really doesn't. The fact that I got it and I was in a small space. You understand? I was in a very small space, and if I could do it, and experiment, it feels so good. Alright? You understand? And I'm expecting nothing but the best. Alright, so yeah. Sometimes God will do some things. You understand? Sometimes we're like, but God, because I remember when my friends' bananas they start to shoot it up, people were like, you say banana now shoot if it list or whatever. I'm like, easy, easy. God on time. You understand me? So he's the end of my life. If he says yes, who is anyone else to tell me no? You get what I'm saying? So yeah. So we are working. So we grew this. You and I, because you've been patient with me. So we did it despite the odds, despite the this and the that and the rain and the hey. And no, you're waiting to get to see it close up. So I'm about to take you right to it. So I hope this is a little lesson or a message to some of you to know that it is not over until it's over. And once God is in it, you'll get to it, you'll get through it. Alright? So when I say big up God, every time I was like, God, look at you. Alright, so of course I thank him that I could actually live to see this day, because I mean, with all of what was coming at me, at some point I was like, me nah doubt God, me nah doubt him, me nah doubt what him can do. And I sat and I remember one time, somebody not cuss me out, and I think it was a TikTok. I still have it, so I look at her, she come to me, I said, girl, what you do? Come on, do. Alright, so yeah. Ooh. And so of course I'm going to constantly take you on an update on this banana's progress. Alright, so yeah, I'm just going to take you closer. Alright, so this is one of my banana tree right here. This one is giving me what? 1, 2, 3 suckers. So I'm going to take out 2 from there. And this is how the plant is doing. Not doing bad at all. But this is the one I want to take you to. So this one right here, you can see this is in a bucket. This one over here, that is a, what size is it again? It's a 18-gallon container right there, right? And this one is a 5-gallon, right? So you can see that I have the sucker inside here. So for those who don't know and seen this video for the first time, so this is the actual banana plant right there, going up, going up, going up. All right, and this is the sucker right there. That's it came by in the early parts of its development. All right, of the main one development, and you can see right here I have another little sucker pushing out right there. So eventually, very soon, I'm going to take out this one. Look at this tomato growing out of the bucket. I'm going to take this out as well. Alright, so I'm getting closer and closer to my banana. Alright, so what I want to show you, guys, my banana shoots. So yes, this is the stage where it's at. It was actually closed up in this, and I saw today where it actually is opening up right here. Today is Sunday, April 13. If you look closely, you see it looks a little bulgy right there. Yeah, so I will definitely keep you posted. But I am just so elated and so happy. No, you wouldn't get my first reaction, no, because I didn't have the camera then. And the excitement, I'm telling you, it was beyond me. I could have drawn for any camera. I was in between excitement and saying, look at God, how marvelous he is. Alright, so yes, this is actually my banana that shoots. Oh my God, guys, you would not understand the excitement. Alright, so what happened is that the leaves became smaller and smaller. When I saw this baby one, I was like, yeah, banana, come. Alright, and so I showed you the footage earlier before this opened up and when it was small, right? So this is a small leaf and then it came from inside here, so right in here, so, and then it pull apart like this. All right, and now you can see this part pulling apart now right here, so you can see it look buggy, as we would say. Yes, it look a little baggy and rugged, and yeah, so that's where the banana is going to come from, for those who don't know. So yeah, sometimes you just have to do what you have to do, guys, despite the odds, despite what everyone has to say. Have faith in yourself, believe in what you can do, trust God, and live. Yeah. So yes, guys, if I can do it, you can do it too. All right, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, walk on.
Sweet Jamaica, man, I land that. Me no stop love it.
My Jamaican Backyard Garden, Portmore Edition. This is Gardening with Stacey. Come garden with me now, man.
And what a nice place to live.